back with Canada's top Etsy keywords for March 2024. Let's take the guesswork out of your Etsy SEO. We'll show you the most popular Canadian shopper searches. Then we'll analyse what these trending keywords tell us about what's selling best on Etsy in Canada right now. If this is your first time here, the lovely Jan over at the eRank blog creates these reports. This video is just a summary. For more details, head over to the blog. Here's March's top 20 Etsy keywords in Canada. Wow, Canada, you guys are back in the roller coaster. You have 12 climbers and 5 of them are screamers. We call them that because they seem to scream into the top 20 out of nowhere. And 5 is a lot. So let's get right into this. Here's the hottest keywords with Canada's Etsy shoppers in March. These are your 12 climbers listed with current search rank first. Now, some of these are not as crazy as they appear at first glance. For instance, number 12, mug, ranked down at number 91 in February, but the plural mugs ranked way up in 4th place. 14th ranked screamer, handmade furniture and decor, didn't rank in February, but furniture and decor did at number 292. 19th ranked screamer, keychain, didn't make February's top 1000, but keychains did. It placed 84th. March Screamer Wedding Gift in its plural form ranked 90th in February. So those don't pose much of a mystery. Let's first look at those that do. Number 4, kitchen. Up from ranking number 242 in February, this is kitchen, and that's a spike all right. Year on year, it's up by 1,423%. Holy cow, right? But before we get too excited, let's take a closer look at that keyword stats chart. Average click-through rate is not promising at 85%. Calculated just for the month of March, though, the current click-through rate is 112%, which is pretty good. Yet there are no other keywords with kitchen in your top 1000, and in its related keywords table, there's a dearth of trending shopper searches. All in all then, maybe just add it to a keyword list and let that monitor this one for a while. Number 6, necklace. Necklace ranked number 39th in February. You'd think with Valentine's Day well past it would have sunk since rather than climbed. Interesting. At least the data looks more reasonable than kitchens. An average click-through rate of 106%. Nice. Competition from your fellow sellers is practically half what that is for kitchen. And where we also see promise is that there are 28 other search terms with the word necklace in your March top 1000. As we mentioned, kitchen had none. And here's the related keywords table for necklace. And if we click broad, then the search trend column, then we see searches related to necklace that are currently trending highest. These are almost always some good ideas. Here, for instance, Jan spotted cross necklace, nice low competition for jewelry with plenty of shoppers searching for it. These are great examples from Jan of how to actually use the top 20 keywords you see in our trend report. Those are the high-level keywords that give you an idea that a niche may be popular. Then you can drill down in the keyword ideas table to see if there are any low-hanging fruit. That is keywords that are relevant to what you can make that customers are searching for right now, but your Etsy competition hasn't cottoned on to yet. Meanwhile, let's move on to our next March climber. As it happens, it's another in the jewelry category. Number 7, handmade jewelry, up from number 81. Here it is in the keyword tool, and it's another that's interesting. That's quite a spike a year ago in March. We know Canada celebrates Mother's Day on the same day as the US, May the 14th in 2023. So what the heck was driving that mad high March search? Intrigued, we had a quick peek at last year's trend report for March, and aha! Of Canada's top Etsy keywords that month, handmade jewelry was number 1. It was number 2 in Australia and the US. Back then, we assumed it was an organic shopper search. By organic, we mean a keyword that shoppers typed into Etsy's search bar. But we've learnt a lot since then. For one, Canada's Etsy shoppers are far more likely to use their standard British spelling, jewelry. So Jan and myself dug into this, and it seems that Etsy could well have had a hand in this. On the homepage in Canada, we spotted a call to action including the word jewelry with the UK spelling several times. But when you click, it's actually showing as if the shopper had searched for the US spelling. So these searches are recorded as if the shopper was using the US spelling. One thing we often notice with these search terms is that their click-through rate tends to be lower than for actual organic searches, which makes sense. These shoppers were just browsing and got distracted by an Etsy prompt. It wasn't what they were on Etsy for, so they lacked purchase intent. Even worse in this case, when we clicked on jewelry, we were taken to a custom portrait page. As buyers were expecting to see jewelry, it's unlikely they would want portraits. So with a mistake like this, it might well result in a low click-through rate. Number 8, personalised gift, was up from number 49. Geez Louise, here's another search using the American spelling. All that we've said regarding jewelry and jewelry applies to the spelling of personalised and personalised with a Z and an S. As eRank does with singular and plurals of a keyword, we record the data exactly as it's recorded, that is, separately. So this is personalised with a Z. That bright green banner indicates the search has also been popular with Canada's Etsy shoppers this week. For those of you offering personalizations, also here are some more searches in Canada's top Etsy keywords in rank order. A lot of shoppers currently seem to use personalized and customized interchangeably. It's a good niche to be in if you're looking for what to sell on Etsy. Here's Canada's top Etsy keywords that climbed the fastest in March. These are your 5 screamers. Shopper searches on your March top 20 list that didn't even chart in February. Number 10, Easter gift. 11, furniture. 14, handmade furniture and decor. 19, keychain. And 20, wedding gift. It's likely Etsy had a hand nudging most of these in popularity, but if these are niches that could be relevant to you, don't forget you can always drill down and see what your customers are really interested in. I always find great ideas of new things I could make. You know we could go on, but we know you're busy. If you'd like more inspiration, check out the blog with the US, UK and Australia blog, and also our first ever Q1 update. As always, we love hearing what you think. You're welcome to join us in eRank's private Facebook group. With over 28,000 members from all around the world, someone friendly is always up and about.